Daddy, are you going to work?
Yes, sweetheart. Daddy has to go to the office.
But I want you to stay and play with me.
I wish I could, but I have a big meeting today.
What's a meeting?
It's when Daddy talks to other people about work.
That sounds boring.
Sometimes it is, but it's important.
Can I come with you, Daddy?
Not today, little one. You have school, remember?
Oh, yeah. I'll draw you a picture at school.
That's wonderful. I'll put it on my desk.
Yay, then you won't miss me.
I'll still miss you. But I'll look at your picture.
Will you come home soon?
Yes, I'll be home before dinner.
Can we play with my toy cars then?
Of course. We'll race them together.
Okay, Daddy. Don't forget to win.
I never win against you, champ. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
John, have you seen my shopping bill? It's huge.
Oh ho, prices are crazy these days.
Even bread and milk cost so much now.
Tell me about it. Rent is insane too.
Utilities are a nightmare. My gas bill shocked me.
I'm using less heating and shorter showers.
Same here. I even unplug devices when not in use.
Transport is not cheap either. Train fares keep rising.
I might start cycling to save money.
Good idea. It's healthy too.
Food delivery is pricey now.
I cook at home more often. Saves money and time.
Any government help?
A little, but not enough.
We really need to budget carefully.
Meal planning helps a lot.
I compare prices online before buying anything.
Small changes really add up.
Living in the UK is tough these days.
True, but we'll manage together.
I just hope prices don't keep rising next year.
If you have found the video useful, please press the like button.
Excuse me. Can you explain why my bill is higher than last time?
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Let me check that for you.
I bought the exact same items. So this doesn't make any sense.
I understand your frustration. Please give me a moment.
A moment? I've already been waiting for 10 minutes.
I'll pull up the receipt right now. Thank you for your patience.
I don't feel patient at all. I just want this fixed.
You're absolutely right. Let's solve this together.
Last week the price of this item was much lower.
I see the difference. There was a sale last week that ended.
So you're telling me it's my fault for not shopping sooner?
No, not at all. I just want to make sure you understand why.
Well, you could have at least put a sign up about it.
That's fair feedback. I'll report this to my manager.
I just feel like no one cares about the customer anymore.
I promise I do care, and I want you to leave happy.
Then what can you do about the price difference?
I can offer you a store voucher for the inconvenience.
That's not what I wanted. But at least it's something.
Thank you for giving me a chance to make it right.
Excuse me, driver.
Yes, what's the problem?
The bus is very hot. Is the AC on?
No, it's not working today.
Not working? It's so uncomfortable in here.
I know, I'm sorry about that.
How can we travel like this in this heat?
I understand. The mechanic will fix it later.
But the trip is 2 hours.
I can open the roof vents for some air.
Please do. We can't breathe properly.
All right, I'll open them now.
Thank you, but it's still very warm.
Yes, the weather is very hot today.
Many passengers are sweating.
I'm sweating too.
This is not comfortable for anyone.
I understand. I'll report it to the company again.
I hope they fix it before the next trip.
Me too. It's not easy driving like this.
People in the back are asking for water.
I don't have any, but there's a shop at the next stop.
That would be great. Everyone needs a break.
Okay, I'll stop there in 10 minutes.
Excuse me. Does this bus go to Green Street?
Yes, it does. You'll need to get off after about 5 stops.
Oh, thank you. I'm not very familiar with this route.
No problem. Are you visiting someone there?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend near the park.
Ah, Then Green Street is the right stop. The park is just around the corner.
Great. Do you know how long it will take to get there?
About 15 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's not too bad. Do you get off before Green Street?
Yes, I get off to stops earlier, at Market Square.
I see. So after your stop, mine will be the next one?
That's right. I can let you know when we're close.
That would be very helpful, thank you.
You're welcome. Are you new in town?
Kind of. I just moved here last month.
Oh, then you'll learn the bus routes quickly. It just takes a little time.
I hope so. Right now, I still get confused.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone at first.
Thanks for being so kind.
Anytime. Safe travels to Green Street.
Excuse me. Are you free?
Yes, I'm available. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the central train station.
Do you want me to take the fastest route or the cheaper one?
Please take the faster route. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
All right, get in. Do you have any luggage?
Just this small bag. I'll keep it on the seat with me.
Okay, please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. How long will it take to reach the station?
About 15 minutes if the traffic is clear.
Please, driver. I really need to reach quickly.
Don't worry. I'll take the fastest route.
How long will it take from here?
Around 12 minutes if the traffic is smooth.
Oh no. My train leaves in 20 minutes.
Relax. I'll drive safely but as fast as I can.
Can you avoid traffic signals if possible?
I'll try shortcuts, but we must follow the rules.
Yes, safety first. But please hurry.
Don't worry. You'll catch your train on time.
Excuse me, driver. Does this bus go to city center?
Yes, it does. City Center is about 10 stops from here.
Great. How long will it take to reach there?
Around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on the traffic.
Thank you. Could you please let me know when we get close?
Sure, I'll announce it when we're about to stops away.
Perfect. I'm new here and don't want to miss it.
No problem. I'll make sure you don't.
Does this bus stop near the shopping mall as well?
Yes, the city center stop is right next to the mall entrance.
That's exactly where I need to go.
Then you're on the right bus.
Is the bus usually crowded at this time?
Not too much, but it can get busy near downtown.
Okay. Do I need a separate ticket for the return trip?
Yes, you'll need a new one for the return ride.
Got it. Thanks for all the help.
You're welcome. Just relax, and I'll let you know when we're near.
Thanks.
Hello, driver. Does this bus go to Hilton London Paddington Hotel?
No, this bus doesn't go near Paddington.
Oh, but the hotel staff told me to take bus number 7.
Yes, this is number 7. But it only goes towards Oxford Street, not Paddington.
Really? That's confusing.
Many visitors make the same mistake.
So how can I get to my hotel?
You should get off at Oxford Circus and take the Bakerloo line on the Underground.
The Bakerloo line goes straight to Paddington.
Yes, it stops at Paddington Station. Just a short walk to your hotel.
That sounds much easier.
Exactly, the Underground is the quickest way.
Thank you. I was starting to panic.
Don't worry, you'll get there without a problem.
How long will it take to reach Oxford Circus?
Around 10 minutes from here.
Great. I'll get ready to get off.
I'll remind you when we arrive at Oxford Circus.
That's very kind of you.
No trouble at all. Enjoy your stay in London.
Excuse me, driver. I think I missed my stop.
Oh really? Which stop were you trying to get off at?
I was supposed to get off at Greenfield Station.
Greenfield, that was 2 stops back.
Oh no. I must have dozed off. What should I do now?
Don't worry, you can either get off at the next stop and take a bus going the opposite direction, or ride with me to the terminal and catch one from there.
How far is the terminal from here?
About 10 more minutes, but the stop before that is just 3 minutes away.
Okay. I'll get off at the next stop then. Can I use the same ticket?
Yes, you should be fine as long as it's still valid. Just explain it to the other driver if needed.
Thanks a lot for your help.
No problem at all. Happens to the best of us. Have a safe journey. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a pair of shoes.
Sure. Are you looking for casual shoes? Or something more formal?
Casual, please. I want something I can wear every day.
Great. What size do you usually wear?
I wear size 8, but sometimes 8.5 fits better.
No problem. I'll bring both sizes for you to try. Do you have a color preference?
I like black, because it matches almost everything.
Excellent choice. We also have them in white and brown if you'd like to see.
Maybe later. I'll start with the black ones.
Here you go. These are made from genuine leather and have memory foam insoles.
Oh, they look nice. The material feels soft but strong.
Yes, they're known for their durability and comfort.
Let me try them on. Size 8 feels a little tight.
Try the 8.5, it might give you a bit more room.
Perfect. This size fits much better.
How do you find the sole? It's designed to absorb shock while walking.
That's nice. They feel really light and comfortable.
Would you like to take them? We also have a 1-year warranty on this model.
Yes, I'll take them. They're stylish, durable, and just the right fit.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a shirt for casual wear.
Sure. Do you have any particular color in mind?
Yes, I'd like something in light blue or white.
We have both colors. What size do you wear?
Medium usually fits me well.
Here's a medium light blue shirt. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. The fitting room is over there, right?
Yes, right at the corner. Take your time.
It fits nicely, but the sleeves feel a bit long.
We can adjust the sleeves if you like. Our tailor can shorten them.
That's great. I also like the buttons, they look stylish.
Yes, those are wooden buttons. Very trendy this season.
The stitching looks neat and strong too.
We pay special attention to quality stitching. It lasts longer.
That's good to hear. Is this 100% cotton?
Yes, pure cotton soft and breathable. Perfect for daily wear.
Nice. How much does it cost?
It's on discount today, only $25.
Perfect. I'll take this one, please.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where I can find jeans?
Sure. The jeans section is on the second floor, near the escalator.
How great. Do you have different styles?
Yes, we have skinny, straight, and baggy jeans in various colors.
Nice. Do you also have high-waisted ones?
Absolutely. They're on the right side of the display.
What about sizes? Do they go up to large?
Yes, our sizes range from extra small to extra large.
That's good to know. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, we're offering 20% off on all denim items.
Wonderful. I'll go check them out.
Sure, let me know if you need any help choosing a pair.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.